It's gonna be so fucking annoying.
Driving on the right side, yay! Oh my god, I just picked up the car.
Yeah, I gotta drive here, right?
I think so, because that's where all the cars are parked.
Yeah.
See, I told you, this is why I didn't want to do it. Because it's scary. Next thing you know, we're ghost riding.
Yeah.
Well, we picked up the car. Not a lot. It was actually really easy and we got it early. It's just we figured out that we don't actually have internet and none of our phones are working, so we ended up having to rent this Garmin thingy. I asked her, can we rent a TomTom? Because we always call the GPS a TomTom.
Yeah.
And she was like, what's a TomTom? Whoa! Parrots!
Yeah.
Oh my god!
That's so cool.
Wow! There are parrots! There's 4 parrots! Wow, that's so cool! We're already seeing cool wildlife. The houses are so nice.
Yeah, they're really nice. Wow, so weird.
I know.
I like looking in the mirrors, I'm looking upright.
Yeah. Anyway, time to pick up some food for the cat, drop it off at the quarantine facility, and then see if we can check into our hotel.
Wait, so you overtake on the right then?
Yeah.
It's like going against all.
Oh, everything we know. Literally. This is specifically why I didn't want to do it. But make sure you're doing this video.
I know, just
Okay. Well, for you, this is your normal lane. The left lane, so it makes no difference. We just made it to Paul's and we have found the food for Nemo and now we're just wanting snacks. Cheesy garlic bread or Outback barbecue?
you want to get two for 7.
Okay. We bought everything at Coles. Now we're off to see.
Where's the exit though? Oh, it's over there.
Yeah. Now we're off to drop off the food to Nemo, and then we got a text that our hotel is ready, so we can go shower, relax, and then maybe head back to Coles later to get more snacks. A quick tour of the place before we mess it all up. I've already messed it up a little bit. But this is our bathroom. And our shower. And then this is our... We only booked a studio, so it's more than enough. We have a stovetop, kettle, toaster. There's a microwave, cutlery and everything. They left us little chocolates on the pillow. And then there's a 7-Eleven back there and a McDonald's if we're hungry. So we'll be fine. But okay, time to relax, shower. Good morning. Today's the day that we pick up Nemo and we're so excited. We're just so curious how he's gonna react when we actually pick him up and he sees that we didn't like leave him with these strangers. So yee! We have to get a few things first at the supermarket, but can't wait! Are you excited?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah. It's just
as you can tell, we're super excited. Woo! This is our hotel. It's actually really cool. We're on the 2nd floor. And that is the view in the morning. Wait for me! Going down. We're in Woolworths this morning and we are just having so much fun seeing out all the new things we get to try. And now my cousin recommended that we try shapes, so we're trying to find it. Couldn't find the shapes, but we found all the cat food and some treats. Now we gotta make sure we get a cat blanket. And we're trying to find scissors. Which one? Yeah, I think that one's nice, right? We're going with green? Okay, so the camera died while we're shopping at Woolworths, but we did manage to get the shapes and the scissors, and then we had to rush back to the room so that we can be on time to pick up the fluff! We're coming for you, Fluff! We're coming! Yeah. excited, nervous, all of the feelings. Good?
Pretty good.
Okay, let me try. They're yummy. Currently stuck in traffic and have been for the last 5-10 minutes, and now our ETA is getting slower and slower. We're hoping we can still make it on time to pick him up. Okay. They closed the roads because of these, and that's what's causing all the traffic. So now that we're past it, oh thank God, end of road work. Let's go! He's right over there somewhere. We are 1 minute out.
Hey, good morning. We're coming here to pick up our cat.
Are you on the wrong gate? Can you go to the main gate, please?
Is that the neck?
One,
The
your
neck?
left-hand side.
Okay, yeah, we'll do.
Oops, that's our bad. Okay, main entrance.
Security.
Yeah, we're coming here to pick up our cat.
What's your dog's name?
Nemo. It's a cat.
Okay, have you opened the gate and just follow the yellow line in the front of you?
Who are we here to collect?
Nemo.
Nemo, the little kitty?
Yeah.
Yes.
We'll go get her now. You're welcome to jump out.
I know.
Okay, perfect. Good luck. Enjoy.
Hey, buddy. Hey. Do you remember me? You little one? Do you remember me? We have like a 30-minute drive still back to the hotel. And then we get to really like give him cuddles and everything. Hey, Mr. Fluff. Hey. Where are you going?
You remember us?
No purrs yet.
Yeah.
He needs to get used to his new surroundings. What?
Where are you going?
Behind the bed.
Behind the bed?
Yeah. Uh-oh. I think you might have lost him. Yeah, what are you doing back there? What you doing? Hey, he's coming out. Hey, adventurer. Ah, it's because it smells like us, isn't it? Have we got our first purr? Hmm? We do. The purrs are here. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Look who's become more adventurous. Hmm? What are we doing? So as you can see, he's finally coming out of his shell a little bit. He spent most of the morning under the bed, I think trying to get away from all the noises and just trying to figure out if this is a safe space. And then after a while, I was able to coax him out, and he's been the little explorer ever since. He's jumping on every surface, in every cabinet, in every closet. So, yeah. But I'm glad we have our old Fluff back. It's nice that he's like finally curious, finally enjoying. Since it's Nemo's first day back with us, we wanted to get him a little treat, and we got KFC because it was right here. So, huh, buddy? Yeah, you're getting KFC.
Give him his chicken.
You give him his chicken.
I don't have any chicken. Oh my god.
I know. Do you have anything left to say, Nemo? I just finished editing the video and realized I don't have an outro, so I just want to thank you so much for watching us get reunited with the fluff. Next week's video is going to be all about us getting the RV and driving from Melbourne to the Gold Coast.
It's gonna be getting used to it.
It's so big! So weird, isn't it?
Mm.
Is that like the Aussie pigeon? Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Say bye!